Hello, in this video I'll show you the location and how to remove and replace the water pump on Mercedes Sprinter W906 316 model. The water pump on the van is located on the front of the engine. It's just behind the clutch fan. In order to get access to the water pump, we need to remove this fan clutch and also the air filter housing. First, we'll start by removing the air filter housing. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. We'll just put the filter housing to the side and now we'll remove the engine cover. Next we're going to be removing the clutch fan. In order to remove the clutch fan, first we need to remove the diffuser for the clutch fan, and it's held on the two sides by two clips. That's it on the other side. We're not going to remove this diffuser completely right now. We're just going to get it loose so that we can go behind it and remove the clutch fan. Now I'll show you the clutch fan from a closer view and to see what tool we need to remove it. That's it there. We need to remove this bolt and it's Allen key size 8. We'll put our arm in there in this hole with the ratchet and try and take out the bolt. In my case, where I'm trying to get it loose, the whole fan is moving, so I'm going to use pliers to get the fan from behind, and then I'll remove the bolt. That's how I got the fan from the back with the pliers, so that it doesn't turn when I try to remove the bolt. Now that the bolt is loose, I can take out the bolt and take out the fan as well. And that's the fan clutch out. Next I need to remove the diffuser for the fan clutch, but in order to remove the diffuser I need to remove this air intake hose that goes into the turbo. It's held by one bracket that I need to remove. It's just over there. I'm not going to remove the intake hose completely, I'm just going to move it to the side again, which will give me enough space to remove the diffuser. And that's the diffuser out. And now I have access to the serpentine belt and the water pump. The water pump is right there, this big pulley, just there, yeah, where the fan clutch is being held on. That's the water pump, and that's the tensioner for the serpentine belt. Next I need to remove the serpentine belt, and that's where I need to put my ratchet so that I can loosen the tensioner to remove the belt. I'm going to use socket size 17, this type of socket. I need to turn the tensioner clockwise in order to loosen the belt. And that's the belt out. Next I'm going to remove the water pump. The water pump is held by 6 or 7 bolts, which are right there. I'll show them to you in a while. These are the bolts right there that need to be removed. Is there, and then on the bottom there is a couple of bolts as well. I need to use a socket E10 to remove the bolts for the water pump. That's all the bolts that are holding the water pump removed. Now I need to remove the water pump. And that's the water pump out. Next I'm going to put on the new water pump. Before you put on the new water pump, make sure you clean the place where the bed of the water pump, where it sits on the engine block. That's the new water pump. There is also a gasket that I need to put on the water pump and then put it in its place. Right after I put it on and put on all the bolts, I need to tighten the bolts. And now I'll show you. You can see now that the water pump is on and tightened. Next I need to put back the serpentine belt. I have another video on my channel of how to put the serpentine belt exactly. Here I'll show you just a little bit of it. And the last pulley that I'm going to put the belt on is the tensioner pulley. So next I'm going to bring the tensioner clockwise so that I can put the belt on. After I put on the belt, next I need to put on the fan clutch and the diffuser, and then assemble everything else in the reverse order. Afterwards we need to fill the system with coolant and bleed it, and that's it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you.